Hello, I'm Joġġe Sundqvist from the north of Sweden. I am at the Marc School of woodworking and teaching ship carving. We call it karvsnitt in Swedish. And during the last years I've been writing this book about ship carving in an old traditional way of doing woodwork in the Scandinavian style, I would say. And during this class we are walking through all the different techniques and ways of doing these symbolic patterns and magic patterns that they used to do on traditional woodwork a long time ago. So we're talking about single-sided ship, and we're talking about shallow relief carving, nail cuts, piercing, core roosing, all that stuff that you can use for making a nice sign or carving on a spoon handle or whatever. So this is basic. We also cover, of course, sharpening knives and how to do that, and we're talking about materials and so on. And I brought some of my items. Here we have a shrink pot, which is a bookshelf, a book storing thing. And I just love to carve all these surfaces and make them, interesting in one way, or with a shallow relief carving like that with figures on them. So you can use that for many purposes, and it's real fun.